Not everyone wants an Apple Watch, and that's okay. Whether you're after better fitness tracking, longer battery life, or simply a watch that works with Android, there are plenty of great alternatives. Maybe you're not sold on Apple's signature square design, or you're an iPhone user curious about other options. Whatever the reason, we've rounded up 7 of the best Apple Watch alternatives that deliver style, performance, and compatibility. Let's dive in. For Android users, the Google Pixel Watch 3 stands out as the ultimate Apple Watch alternative. Designed to complement your Android phone seamlessly, it combines sleek aesthetics with top-tier performance. Its standout rounded design makes a bold fashion statement while offering a familiar rotating crown for those transitioning from an Apple Watch. This smartwatch isn't just about looks. It's packed with Fitbit-powered health sensors, delivering insights like sleep tracking, stress management, and blood oxygen levels, which even Apple no longer offers. Plus, the 6-month Fitbit Premium subscription adds personalized coaching and readiness scores, taking your fitness game up a notch. With Wear OS, you'll enjoy smooth navigation, robust app support, and on-device Google Assistant that outshines Siri. Topped off with a vibrant display and 3 years of software updates, the Pixel Watch 3 proves to be a perfect blend of style and substance for Android users. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, Tik Tok For Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, Tik Tok For Business has the tools to help you grow. With Tik Tok For Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you've been eyeing the Apple Watch Ultra 2 but want something tailored for Android, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is your perfect match. With its rugged titanium build, 3000 nit display, and built-in siren, it's designed to tackle everything from mountain peaks to ocean swims. The third action button and sporty band options echo the premium Apple Watch vibe, but with Samsung's circular twist. The battery life? Exceptional. Enjoy up to 2 days with the always-on display or an impressive 100 hours in power saver mode, eclipsing Apple's Ultra 2. Plus, dual-band GPS and precise heart rate tracking powered by Galaxy AI keep your workouts optimized. Whether you're measuring energy levels, analyzing sleep, or crushing yesterday's performance, the Galaxy Watch Ultra delivers personalized insights to elevate your day. If you want a premium, durable smartwatch built for adventure, this one checks all the boxes. If you're looking for a stylish smartwatch that doesn't scream tech, the WITHINGS-ScanWatch 2 is a perfect choice. With its sleek, traditional stainless steel design and circular screen, it looks just like a classic watch, minus the squircle Apple Watch look. But don't be fooled by its elegant exterior. This watch is packed with advanced health tracking. It monitors heart rate, blood oxygen, HRV, and even tracks your skin temperature 24/7, giving you unique insights into your health and workouts. The ScanWatch 2 also features ECG for AFib detection and high and low heart rate warnings, ensuring you stay on top of your wellness. With a remarkable 30-day battery life, it's perfect for those who want minimal fuss and maximum functionality. If you're after a smartwatch that blends effortlessly with your style while keeping tabs on your health, the WITHINGS-ScanWatch 2 is the way to go. For fitness enthusiasts who prioritize performance over apps, the Garmin Venue 3 is an absolute standout. With a sleek, lightweight design and a stunning AMOLED display, it's the perfect blend of style and function. What sets this watch apart is its incredible 14-day battery life and advanced health features, including ECG, skin temperature, and stress monitoring. Plus, it offers in-depth sleep coaching and an innovative body battery feature to track your energy throughout the day. The Venue 3 excels at fitness tracking with multi-satellite GPS for pinpoint accuracy, dozens of sports modes, and even custom indoor workouts complete with muscle maps. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or doing yoga, this watch helps you track it all. And with features like Bluetooth calling and music, it's designed for both performance and convenience. If you want a fitness companion that supports your active lifestyle, the Garmin Venue 3 has everything you need. Looking for a budget-friendly Apple Watch alternative without sacrificing key features? The Amazfit GTS4 delivers all the essentials for about half the price of the Series 10. With 8 days of battery life, a sleek squircle design, and a comfortable, lightweight build, it's perfect for anyone seeking a reliable smartwatch without breaking the bank. At 1.75 inches, its vibrant display offers great resolution, and the rotating crown gives you smooth access to built-in apps. Plus, with dual-band GPS, Bluetooth calling, and Alexa voice commands, you're getting solid connectivity. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the health sensors that track heart rate, blood oxygen, and VO2 max, while features like automatic workout detection and recovery time calculations help you stay on top of your progress. For those looking to save without compromising on functionality, the Amazfit GTS4 is the perfect pick. Serious runners and outdoor enthusiasts, the POLAR-PacerPro is your perfect training partner. Designed for peak performance, this lightweight 41-gram watch is built to keep up with your toughest sessions. Its high-speed processor tracks everything: time, pace, distance, laps, on a vibrant color display that's easy to read at a glance. With up to 35 hours of battery life in training mode or 100 hours in power, save mode, it's ready for your longest runs. The Polar Precision Prime optical heart rate sensor provides detailed insights, while advanced tools track sleep and recovery to help you optimize performance. And with training modes for over 150 sports, it's versatile enough for more than just running. If you're looking for a watch that's as serious about your fitness as you are, the POLAR-PacerPro delivers exceptional value and functionality for athletes of all levels. Prioritizing health tracking over apps? The Fitbit Sense 2 delivers advanced features like HRV, AFib detection, SpO2 monitoring, skin temperature tracking, and stress management in a sleek, lightweight design with a familiar squircle look. The battery life stretches up to 6 days, making it ideal for round-the-clock monitoring. With tools like CETA sensors for stress, personalized sleep insights, GPS tracking, and over 40 exercise modes, it's built to help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. Google Wallet, Maps, Alexa, and compatibility with iOS and Android enhance its functionality, offering convenience alongside health data. A perfect balance of style and features, the Fitbit Sense 2 wraps up this list as a top contender for anyone looking to manage health and fitness with ease. That's the end of our list of the 7 best Apple Watch alternatives. Which smartwatch from today's list would you consider making the switch to? Let us know in the comments below.